Oh, sending my love to Italy. That's a place I've always wanted to visit. Alexis, I've been to America twice and I absolutely loved it. I would love to come back again. I do have a favourite movie. It is Stand By Me. It's a really old one. I actually first saw that when I was in America, but I didn't get to watch Bikini Reveal. You can see some of those over on Instagram. Thank you for the lollipop and the weights. Guys, thank you so much. It is a top film and I love the soundtrack to it too, by Benny King. I would say that's my favourite song as well. Golden oldies, right? Sending my love to Jamaica. Thank you for all of the follows, likes, comments and shares. For spoiling me today and treating me so well. I have a special treat for you too, guys. I have a spicy link that's on sale today. So you can head over there to find that link. What's the movie about? It's like a coming of age. It's like a group of 4 boys that go on an adventure. And yeah, they like grow up and grow apart. It's quite sad, but it's lovely at the same time. You should definitely give it a watch. It's literally one of the best films of all time. Back to the Future. I can't really remember. I think I've watched that at some point, but I can't really remember. There's loads of them though, isn't there? Miyama. Hola. Hi guys. Hi Joes. Thank you for the likes. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday so far. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to talk about, then feel free.
Virgin Games, the casino revamped, 18 plus UK.
The Goonies. Oh, that's a funny film. Hey, you guys. If you guys have any questions or topics you'd like to talk about, then feel free to ask and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you, Bobby. I've recently just changed my hairstyle. I've gone from a middle parting to a side one, just because I get bored and I like to switch it up sometimes. So yeah. Thank you, Martin. Martin? I'm not sure. So guys. On my necklace, so this one's my birthstone. It's a tiny little emerald. It's not actually that green as it should be. And this one's a little cherub. And they're a set, so they come as a 3. You look more sweet than you are already. Oh, thank you. I have a special spicy surprise then, so I'm not always sweet. But thank you. What's my hobbies? I love going to the gym, working out, riding my bike, doing yoga, drawing and painting, sewing and making things. Not that I've done much sewing for a while, but I do love it. I'm 21 and I'm from England. Hi, Bunga Malam. How are you guys today? I hope you're having a lovely Wednesday so far. It's halfway day, happy hump day. Yeah, I have a special midweek surprise for you guys over on Instagram. If you would like to check that out. All you need to do is search It's Lily Lucas, spelled exactly the same as that, and you will find it. I live in England. I'm in the northern part of the UK. Oh, well, fingers crossed you get to live that dream. That would be amazing. I always hold hope for you guys when you have dreams. You can do it if you try hard enough. Picking, you think you've seen me before. Where from? I'm actually a thing. Sending my love to Indonesia and Cincinnati. Or Cincinnati, I don't know how to say that. If only Prince Harry had just waited. For what? She's married to Meghan Markle, isn't she? She's very beautiful. Well, you can see more of me over on Instagram and Twitter. They're the exact same names as this TikTok account, and I have a special $4 discount for you guys today. Yeah, to help your week go a little bit smoother. So you can find the spicy link over on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you so much for your generous gifts, Bobby. That's so sweet for me to say thank you so much. Thank you, Calvin. You've changed your profile picture. You want to do a live chat with me. So once I've been on here for a while, Roger, I do accept people to go live with. So that's like my new thing now. Thank you, Planet Theme. That's really sweet of you to say. You can see my necklaces. So this one's a little emerald. This is a little cherub. Moved to the US. I've been to the USA twice and I absolutely loved it there. I would love to come back again. Hi, Gerald. What's my name? I'm Lily Lucas. I know, people in the US do seem to love the royal family over here. I mean, we do have a lot of like patriotic people, but the younger ones I don't think give as much of a damn anymore. Dan, you can find that out for yourself by heading over to Instagram. I have a special spicy link for you guys in my bio. Oh, I love you too. Sending you all tons of love today. Hope you're having a great Wednesday. Happy hump day.